This is just a camera test! Well, we got about 30 minutes, as you can tell, before the sun goes away. So let's go test this camera in the woods and play. Ooh, we got a little bit of snow this morning, and I think I got this. Hopefully, the colors look pretty dang good. Not doing no overnight or anything. Just doing a little camera test out in the sticks to see how she's doing. Yeehaw! What's going on, everybody? Trying to break in this camera. Hear the coyotes? Wow. That's pretty cool. I want to try to figure out all the gizmos and dilly-dally buttons on this dang thing before I take it out. I should have brought some gloves. Whew. It is cold. My gosh. We got some snow this morning. A little bit. We didn't get no 4-foot or anything cool to give you some clickbait or something. Maybe I could put that. Whatever. I'm not a liar like that. This is a new tripod too. And it seems like it's a little bit wiggly there. Not too sure if I like that. What a rip-off. Junk. Sign was upside down. I don't read upside down. So I don't have much of a goal today. I'm just walking this top part of this and testing this, man. That's what we're doing. We're out here freezing. Nose is about to fall off. I'm either in two situations: freezing cold or really hot. Seems like, I guess, all I know. That's all he knows. So yeah, so that's the goal. See how these colors look. The last little video I did, it was completely bluish because I didn't have the auto white balance on. So yeah, that's that. I figured I'd just bring you guys along. If you don't want to see it, well then hey, don't watch it. Just a little test. That's all. That's all I'm gonna say. This is just a little test. Seems to be doing pretty good. I just want to be able to, like I said, know all the buttons, know everything this thing can do, see how it's reacting to everything before I take it out. Oh, yeah! Surfing now. Oh, got a little snow in me crack. That's a little bit chilly. Snow's so cold it turned him Irish. Whoa. Woo. Alright. Now I forgot what I was saying. Besides my fingertips about to fall off. Oh man, I about biffed it again. It's just what I need. So I can know all the buttons before I take it out and start using it all the time. I'm feeling a little jitter in that dang thing. I don't like it. I'm sure you guys are probably picking it up. A little bit of rocking. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to figure something out with that. It says it's a Zomi professional camera tripod. Junk. Oh, some geese going. Can't zoom in that far. That's the only thing that stinks. I can zoom in a little. What's this thing? It's only an 18 to 45. Trial and error. Also playing around. Man, I should have brought some gloves. Also playing around. Oh man, I almost caught that to the face. Jeez! Okay, take two. Also playing around with this external microphone. God, I don't like how that thing's jittery. I bet it's making the camera like jittery. Probably making you guys sick. Oh, playing around with this new microphone, so I hope the audio is good, not too high or anything, you know, just like where one would want it. So we're trying, you know, life's a journey, and you're never gonna learn if you don't try. So we're going out, trying, playing, hopefully not dying from frostbite fingertips. Frostbitten fingertips or lips. The sun's about down. I'll probably make it out to this other little spot area thing. Do a little tinkering around. I'll probably head out of here. The colors and everything look pretty good. It's just gonna be trial and error, learn as we go. So my fingers, man. I'm holding the camera in between my armpit. Sorry, and the screen on this, I need to be looking here at you guys, right there. The screen flips out on the side on this. For some reason I keep watching myself. My apologies, guys. Like I said, trial and error. Out in the cold air. See you when we get there. See if we can follow going down this thing. Must be kind of a cool little cutout. There was once a shelter here. Well, somebody put some logs over it, but this place gets so much traffic that it didn't last long. The colors seem to be perfect on camera. So. Ooh, look at this, guys. We even get a watch a camera. Watch a camera. Watch an airplane thing. Maybe. Touchdown. There's another one heading out there to take off. I think we're gonna be alright. I'm about to start crying. There was a very sentimental moment. As soon as the tires hit the ground, everybody landed safely. Oh, sorry, now I'm freaking out. We get another one, man. Today's is full of all sorts of outdoor activities. I wonder how that wind's picking up on this mic. Maybe it's terrible. I don't know. It's supposed to muff it. We'll see. And I keep licking my lips. Alright. Now every time I keep licking my lips and it hits the wind, it feels like it's about to fall off. So yeah, that's that. Like I said, it's just a little short stroll in the sticks. Ooh, I see somebody built a shelter out there. I don't know if you'll see it. Nope, it's not gonna pick up. There's a little shelter out there. A little red tarp. Having a hard time in the low light though. That low light's getting it. Background goes, huh? I don't know. Bit tricky. Anyway, good thing to got out here and test this. Might as well fix this dang tripod too, because I don't like that little jiggle. Or I'll send it back. How about that? In your eye, guy. Alright. Well, just a little outing, tinkering around. So I'm gonna head back to the car now. It's cold. Face hurts. And it can't be having that much trouble. It's not even that dark out. Still got some tinkering to do, it looks like, huh? Still checking my face. I don't know. See, it ain't even that dark out. It shouldn't be struggling that bad. Interesting. I'll figure it out. Anyway, hopefully you got a giggle. A little short giggle. Wiggle, wiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Later. Bye-bye, guys. Have a good day. Have a great week. Work sucks. Remember that. It makes you want to quit and just never go back. But then you won't survive because you don't have money for bills. Bye-bye.